Guys, to fix this error, first of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up Task Manager. Then you need to go to look for Riot Client and close Riot Client. Then go to Vanguard, just write van, and then look for tasks and close them all. Then look for League and close all the League of Legends tasks as well. Then on search, you just need to go to installed apps. On search, write Vanguard. Press 3 dots, uninstall, and then uninstall here, press continue and wait. Next step, open up Riot Client, go to League of Legends, and then install or update League of Legends and install Vanguard. After Vanguard is installed, you should get this message here, requires system restart. Then you just need to go to services. Look for, click on one of the tasks here, press V until you see VGC, right click on it, go to properties, then make sure start by type automatic and make sure to start. Make sure service status should be running, right? So we need to wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up, and then we just need to confirm the changes, apply, okay? And then as you can see here, you just need to restart Riot Client. But first you need to write run, and then you just need to write msconfig. Then under the services here, select hide all Microsoft services, and then scroll down until you see VGC and make sure VGC is enabled. Then you just need to write, just launch Riot Client, and your issue should be solved. That's pretty much it.